The alarming effects of the second wave were unexpected. Even though India made massive strides, we still were unprepared to handle the massive attack of the merciless virus. So, Hiral Chandramaru and Jasreen Debo decided to play a role in supporting COVID 19 patients in Rajkot city by providing free, homemade, and healthy food to COVID patients who have been quarantined and sealed off from the society. They have till now served 1900 meals and have 140 patients registered. They plan on continuing the service as long as the patients reach out to them. NewsX proudly recognizes second wave superheroes Jasreen Debu and Hiral Chandramaru.
Hello and welcome. You are watching NewsX. So today on the second wave superheroes, we have with us Jasreen Debo and Hira Chandramaru, who have been helping COVID patients by providing them free food in Gujarat. Welcome, guys.
Thanks for having us.
It's our pleasure. So my first question to you is what really led to the idea or what really motivated you to help Gujarat people with free food?
So basically, when the first wave struck, my father had asked me to do something for the people who are in need, and at that time I did not have any idea what exactly I should do. So, and amidst all that, unfortunately, I lost my father, and that's when I realized that what he exactly wanted me to do. He just wanted me to stand with people who are suffering. So when the second wave struck, we realized that the whole family in the second wave, whole family is getting affected and is going into quarantine, self-isolation, and they are already fighting with many battles, be it physical, mental, or financial. So, and during this time, if each member of the family is quarantined, preparing food becomes a very difficult task. So that's when we thought of free tiffin service to help them fight one battle and also make some kind of relief uh, considering the financial this thing. And I would like to tell you that this is possible just because of my mother, because she was the first one whom I shared this idea, and she told me that go ahead with it. I am ready to prepare meals for as many patients as possible.
That's indeed great. So, so next question to you, Jasreen, how has your journey been till now?
So, it's been a truly overwhelming experience because after the first wave, there was, a period of relief and life had almost come back to normal. And then again, we were hit really hard and the cases were getting worse. And, we're reading about it every day in the news and we're really feeling helpless as to, what we can really do about it. So when Hiral called me with this idea, I was completely on board. Though he has been handling all the operations and the food part of it, and I've been fundraising. So we got in touch with, we both are, students of IIM Bangalore. So we got in touch with our batchmates and we got in touch with our professors and our families. And we're both also from Bombay. So we got a lot of support. And at first, the first day, we had only one patient who registered with us. But by the end of it, we have served 1,900 meals and we have 140 patients registered with us. However, now the cases are going down, which is a good thing. The lesser tiffins, the better really for the world. But we are going to now diversify since our patients are now well and they don't have the cooking problem. They have lost their jobs and they have lost family members and are in difficult economic situations. So we will be diversifying our project now, not stopping it, and we'll be providing them with ration kits that will last their families for at least a month. We're starting that from this week itself. And we were in Rajkot, but we're also now going to cater to families in Porbandar with our new project.
and a lot of them have been hit. And one important thing that we are covering this month, since it's Pride Month, we are going to be giving ration kits to 100 transgender families as well.
That's awesome. All the best for your new venture and hope that you're able to help as many people as possible.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.